In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets for Content Calendar 2025 step by step. Open Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. We'll set up a simple, flexible calendar you can reuse every month and click the A column header to focus the left side of your sheet. Then in the first row, drag across from A to G so you've selected that entire top strip. On the toolbar, choose Merge All to turn those cells into one wide header. Type your month and year in that merged cell, then select it again, open the alignment options, and center it so your title looks clean and easy to read. Once that's centered, we're ready to build the calendar grid. Jump to row 3. In cell A3, type Sunday. Use the small square handle at the bottom right of the cell to drag across to column G. Google Sheets will automatically fill in Monday through Saturday for you. That gives us a 7-column layout for the days of the week. Now let's add the dates. Find the weekday where the month starts and place your first date under that day. For example, if the month starts on a Monday, put 1 under Monday. To make autofill work smoothly, enter the next number right beside it so you have 2 consecutive dates. Select both numbers, then drag the fill handle across to column G to complete that first week's dates. For the next set of dates, move down to the next line and, as shown in the example, leave a little space before you start entering the new numbers. Repeat the same process, type the next 2 dates, select them, and drag across, week by week, until you reach the last date of the month. This keeps everything aligned under the correct weekday and gives you enough room to write beneath each date if you need it. With your dates in place, start adding your content plan. In each date cell, you can type what's scheduled for that day. For instance, add Instagram posting on one day, YouTube posting on another, and continue with any other platforms you use. Keep entries short and consistent, like IG, Reel, YT, Upload, or Blog Draft, so your calendar stays scannable. If you want extra clarity, put platform names on the first line and details on the line below by pressing Alt plus Enter or Option plus Enter for a line break. Color can help too. Use light fill colors or text colors to distinguish platforms without overwhelming the page. That's it. You've built a reusable content calendar in Google Sheets that's quick to update, easy to read, and perfect for planning your month across multiple channels.